Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to iPad Air 2025. Begin by opening Play Store on Samsung and App Store on iPad Air. Then download free app called Send Anywhere on both, and when it's ready, launch it. Now you need to set them up. Let's start with iPad Air. Hit whatever you want to in this pop-up. Then select Allow Full Access in Photo Library 1 and click on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now on Samsung, hit I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue and allow. Whatever you want to in the pop-up. And finally over here, after tapping on your device's display, hit send at the bottom left corner. Then receive on the left of your iPad. And from here you can go back to your Samsung, this time to pick all of your files you wish to send, thanks to all of those categories at the top. I will only go with a few, just for example. When you finish, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit receive button. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!